Hi everyone, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about Scrivener templates and how you can choose a compile template that may not be the one that you chose for your document originally. You might, for example, have thought you were doing a straightforward novel, but after many hours of toil, you realise you have an epic with several parts to it. Changing the compile preset isn't going to change the structure of all your files, but it will help you to define them. So, first up, open up Compile, and you'll see down in the bottom left-hand corner, there's Load Presets. Here you can find all the different presets. So let's say we're changing our ebook from a normal novel to a novel with parts. As you can see, the structure in formatting changes. And if I click on each of the levels, you can see what it relates to in the actual document in the binder. And this will help us to restructure the files so that they fit with the compile structure. So if I save that and go back to the binder, I can now drag my chapter into a different folder to give a different structure, go back into compile and see what difference that makes. And as you can see, I now have a level 1 and a level 2. So the level 1 would be your part, and the level 2 would be your chapters within that part. Of course, some structures may be more difficult to change, but it's better than starting from scratch on your own and trying to work out all the different things that you need to do. So there you have it. If you choose the wrong template, don't despair, you can do something about it. For more Scrivener videos, why not check out this playlist? I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.